To replace the lens, simply using the fingers and thumb, push against the frame and the lens. If you do it, try not to break the frame itself. If you push it out from the back to the front, then you can simply replace it by doing the opposite, from the back and push it in from the front. Now, it doesn't have to be that way, just make sure that you don't break the frame while you're doing it. Now when you have put it in, just make sure that it is nice and in the correct groove in the frame so it doesn't drop out. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.